scared the crap out of me. Changing it time. Do we need to raise it up?
Hold this right there. Have one in it.
So don't screw it into it?
Let's get them started. Let's get them.
It's chilly.
Yeah, whenever your somebody's doing that for you,
Yeah.
make sure that hub's right in the center.
I didn't want it to come down and smash one of them.
Huh?
I didn't want it to come down and smash it. The rim. Your blinker on?
I think so.
Since we gave the cattle cubes, do you want me to honk them still down there? Or do you just let them go?
They won't go anywhere.
Okay.
See here. Kind of cold. Windy.
We just changed the tire on the John Deere 4440. Now we're gonna give them two. Hey, we're gonna put one in the corral, and then we're gonna put one out in our pasture. We're gonna lock up the one in the corral since they don't get two at one time. We'll give them one, and then we'll come back up like 4 or 5 days later, and then we'll give them the second one. Make sure to subscribe now. And YouTube, I figured out why you banned on my live. It's because I'm a minor. Like, can I just have fun and go live? Like, sometimes I want to live stream my stuff, even when no one's going to join. I like it. I mean, my friends might join, but don't know. If I'm talking too quietly, just turn up your volume. Right now it's in my jean jacket pocket. I need to get like a GoPro to put on my hat. Having problems there? Don't fall in these holes. This is the one part of the farm that I don't like. This part where it's hilly and there's like drop-offs.
Oh, yeah.
And you like drive around there. Charlie and Maverick are going over the tubs, and Maverick just walked right off because he just knew what was about to happen.
Go up there. We're going to get some hay. I'll probably put one in a ring down here.
Mm-hmm.
And then we'll have to, I may put two more out.
Yeah.
And then we'll put the next one up in the ring up here.
Mm-hmm.
And that way they can eat on these three. And then we'll come out later on next week and open that one up.
Okay.
So you can drive around a little bit if you want to.
Okay, I may.
Huh?
I may just drive back down there and back. Just to check out stuff.
And then whenever I get these down, then we'll throw that crap in the back.
Bring one of these in case you have problems. Oh, is that your work phone? I have your work phone in my number.
Okay.
Prove it. Straight spots. The thing is, I need to go pee, but if I want to go pee, but I can't because I have a camera strapped to me. Turn around here, check out stuff. We have 160 acres of land where we pasture our cattle, and right now we have 3 bulls and two longhorns, 3 longhorns. One's like a bull half longhorn, bunch of heifers, and little bitty bulls that we're gonna sell. He's wait for him to go to get going. Chevy. Please don't be like, you do, because you had our logo. Please don't do that. I'm just a kid. Just trying to make content here for my viewers, for my 82 viewers. Tell your friends to subscribe to me. Tell everyone to subscribe to me. I mean, 82 people like my stuff. Also, Gatlin Didier, team up, make a video. Who knows? Help us out. Help another farmer out. That's what they're there for. YouTube banned my life because I was a minor. He's going, I'm going. Well, I drive down here. Golly, the fans turned up. It's 90 degrees in here. I'm burning. Yeah, it's looking good. He's going. If I can hit 100 subscribers, I'll be happy. But if we can hit like 1,000, 5,000, I'll be very happy. Also, if you're a Gatlin Didier fan, subscribe to me. And if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Like, just go subscribe for my shorts. Like, please. Like, that's all I'm asking for. Just subscribe for my shorts. Probably my phone flashlight. I don't know why. But... What the crap? Was my boy dead? Did he die or something? Over rain? Did he freeze? He's alive. I'll get out and check on him. Are you okay, buddy? Are you okay? Are you okay, man? You doing good? You hurt yourself? You're gonna get sold soon. Hey, are you okay? Outside my old man. Oh, no, okay, there's a wire. I'll tell the old man. Come on. Gabriel, get the door closed. Is that neutral? Let's drive. Well, that's kind of weird. Probably just, I mean, not that old. Why did I say he was old? Oh no. He's not even that old. He's barely even 3. And that's pretty young. Look at that over there. Find something new every day. At sunset, over there where we have 80 acres, we saw a buck. He was a little, probably about a 4-pointer, 2-pointer, I don't know, he's pretty small. And I saw a doe and they started across the field. And then this guy came up to us and was like, have you seen a black bull? And me and the old man were like, no, we haven't seen a black bull. Because all we have are 2 horses over there that we feed. What the heck? Oh, god dang. And we were like, no, we just have horses over here that we feed. And he was like, okay, tell me if you see any black bulls over here. And we were like, okay. And the old man was like, no, we haven't seen any black bulls because there were tracks up at our gate or entrance. He was like, no, we haven't seen any tracks, but those tracks are old. They look, they've been dusted over and they look pretty old. And we were like, oh. So we just carried on. I'm gonna go back up here. I gotta go pee, but I can't because I have that camera strapped to me. I was really tempted to go pee, but then I'll get demonetized because, you know why I can't say it, but I'll get demonetized because of my pee-pee. I don't want to get demonetized. No, I haven't been making that much content. I've been making shorts, but this is the only video that I'll get out this week because we haven't been doing this much this week because it's been below freezing all week. Like the whole week. It's been below freezing. And below freezing has been all week. And so I've only been able to come out here on the weekends with people. Now we've not here. It would be short little videos, but now we have action. We had to change a tire and give them cubes and do all this other stuff. I should have filmed while I was giving them cubes. Stupid me. The bully was dead for there for a second. Her glasses. He should be lying down because it's cold. He got too cold. He's on the verge of death. You guys probably can't even see over the windshield. You guys can probably just see like the dash and everything. Can you see my hand? Yes, you can probably see my hand. Also, guys, tell your friends to subscribe to me. I know I said that once before in this video, but tell them to subscribe to me. Because I want to get to 100. We're pretty close. We're at 82. And if you guys have seen, I changed my name. It's all caps, Farm Life, one space. And I changed the background to an updated picture of the steers. But overall, pretty good. We've been doing pretty good with 82 small-time YouTuber. Don't. Okay. I thought he was about to go ham on the... Where's our ring at? Did it blow down into the creek? Cause I don't see our... Oh, there's our ring. Park it right here. Right rear tire low. Add air to tire. Okay. I'm gonna go stand outside. Oh god, no bad one's killer. No, I saved it. I saved it. I saved it. What is Fiona doing? If you guys can see this, it's the white face one. White, red, face one. What is she doing? She just got her fly. Snowflake! Snowflake! Snowflake. Baby. Hey, girl. Hey. Hey, it's okay. Come here. We not today? Not today. You eating? Hey. Okay, baby. Baby. I wonder where MJ is at. It's cold. It's not even above freezing yet. jean jacket and jeans on. And a hoodie and a t-shirt. What the? There's blue on the longboard. The cow just got blown. Hey, MJ, get your butt over here. You're gonna go fight the fight. Don't bring fists to a knife fight. Because my Longhorns have knives and you have a fist. Don't bring a fist to a... Hey, boy, don't you do that. He will kill you. Golly, this is a nasty one. You guys, any farmers that are watching me, if you guys have these problems, these are tough problems. I hate these wraps, but they keep the bells together. You gotta take them off, or the cows are gonna eat them and they're gonna get stuck in their throat. Yeah, let's go. Here we go. My nose is gonna kill me after this. Here we go. Perfect. Grinding them gears. Oh man. I'm wrapping myself up in it. There we go. Here we go. Golly, quit grinding the gears. Come on, buddy. Put it in the reverse. You gotta... He said you gotta... like, roll it back and then jerk it. Now, we gotta walk all the way to the corral. Should be a nice cold walk. Oh, it's cold out. I don't have a beanie on. He gets a warm tractor. I got the short stick. I got the short end of the straw. toad. He's toad. Burr. Did he already stick one in there? I don't think so. No, he hasn't. Now I guess we're going. He's putting 3 out. I don't know if he's gonna put the ring on one of them. He may or may not. Ooh. My nose is probably a nice red. Surprised my snot hasn't frozen. Yeah, my sinus is gonna kill me after this. Oh, a tree. Oh, I need to go pee. I'm strapped in. I hope this is not a crowded video. Don't you hit Abby. I can pet her. Almost. Pet her on the trailer. Dig her up. Uppies. Uppies. There you go. Like, there. Get it one by one. Yeah, get it one by one. Come on, baby. Come. Oh, it's right in my hand. Come on. Come on, Bessie. There we go. Now we're at it. Come on. Come on. Oh, I thought that was a mouse. I should have my glove. Oh, it's out. My fingers are nice and cold. I probably should have taken the Is it like super duper zoomed in? I don't know the bad video. I just want good quality content. You can't. Come on. Come on. If you're a long time viewer, you knew before the farming started, I was a biker. The farming was started too. Let me see here. Look at this. Here. It's cold. It's got snow on it. It's Frosty. Frosty the Mailman. bye. Oh, there's still bye bye. Oh, now I got this. There we go. Oh, bye bye. Yep, my sign is can't wait today. It's already plugged up before this. Or all of this was plugged. Come on. It's great. There we go. We got it. Oh, something in my eye. Okay, drop that. Here we go. We got it. Perfect. Whew. I bet you this next one, it's gonna be really fun. I don't need to pee. I can't. Because I got a camera. I don't want to keep it rolling. Perfect. This up. Golly, it's like 1,000 degrees in here. Those cows are good. That one hay bale I didn't get. Right here. I think it's raining. Feels like it. Yeah, it's raining. Ah, that's cool. My park's right here. That would have been too close. Oh, that was fun without a knife. That was fun without a knife.
What one in the pickup?
I didn't look. It's raining. Is it above 32?
33.
I didn't get that one because the cattle were eating on it, but I got those other two. No, when I was eating on a plastic bag.
Well, I'll be glad to get rid of him. He's a worthless piece of crap.
Wooly Bully?
Yes.
He was over there. I was driving on that fence line. I saw him. I thought it was Fiona for a second, but I saw him lying down there. I walked straight up to the fence and
Just twine off that.
threw it in the back of here. And he was lying down there. And I was like 2 feet from a knife. No knife, but but I got these. Watch out. I got these. These might work. Which way are we going? Going this way? Don't hit my steers. That's real nice. Flip it. Who cares if it's a cow?
Ready?
Yeah, probably a Charlie. You're worthless. You're worthless.
Yeah.
I got these. These might work. MJ, hey buddy. No. Hey. Eat. Ugh. Now you know who now you know how I feel.
Get out of the way.
Hey Smooth. Come on, door. Chilly.
See what Grammy wants.
Did she text you?
She called. Ooh.
Hello.
What you done?
Just checking on you guys, see how's it going.
Good.
We're just finishing up feeding them.
Okay. Everything okay?
Yep.
We went over to
Sunset.
Sunset and put another bail out for the ponies.
Tell her about that guy.
Did he fall in the mud?
Nope.
Who?
Davis.
No.
No.
Oh, he's a better person than I am.
There wasn't any mud. Oh, those were those tracks.
Starting to sprinkle out here just a little bit.
What's the temperature?
33.
33. So we're going to shut the gate here at Fort Knox and go up and put the
Ring on the other
ring
rail.
on inside the corral, and then we'll be heading home.
All right, see you in a minute.
Bye-bye.
I'm not wearing my gloves. I'll get this one. My what?
You're lying.
It's a video camera.